Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how a private client can change the appraisal order when requested by the operational admin of the AMC. So as you can see, there is an appraisal order that is in submitted state, and when we click on this appraisal order, it is basically under review from the AMC of the operational admin. So after it has been reviewed, it will say that request changes are requested. So it'll be on the main screen and then see in few minutes. Okay, as you can see that this was the appraisal order that we submitted, and now it says changes requested and resubmission is needed. So if we click on this appraisal order, we can edit it. So on this right corner, there's a button to edit this appraisal order. So we move towards the status update to see what was the changes that were requested. So it will be defined the reason over here, and we can just do the changes over here. So we click on this edit button and it allows us to change the details. Like I'm just changing this name, and if I want to change any of the other details as well, I can change that as well. So we move towards the final step and then submit the order, and it will be submitted again. So it's now on the submitted status. So this time it will be reviewed by the appraisal order, and they will basically review it again and they will provide the action for it. So before we end this video, I would like to tell you that when an appraisal order is submitted by the customer, either a private client or it's a lender, so it is basically reviewed by the AMC operational admin, and he has three options or actions he can perform. Either he can accept that appraisal order if it's fine to him. If he feels that there are some changes that needs to be done, so he requests for changes. And the last one is that reject an appraisal order. If they feel that this order is not, they want to work on something, whatever the valid reason is, they can reject the appraisal order. So we have different videos on all of these scenarios. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.